tire replacement on F-150.
Drop it, lock it. Woo. Damn, this one already came out. Woo-wee. Hey, wait. Woo. Yeah. Woo. There we go. Ah. Woo. Perfect. Take the core out. Let the tire breathe. Woo. Cool. Other side. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Lock it. Hey. Lock it. Twist a little bit. High stick. Pry bar. Hurry. Woo. TPMS sensor right here. Put that down there. Yep. Come up with it. Woo. Yep. There we go. Oh yeah, these are the new tires. Rainy day, huh? Yep. Up with the new tire. Here we go. Give me some of the loop. Whoa, there's a lot of water in there, huh? Hey. Oh yeah. What is that? Outside, inside? Inside, outside? Hey ya. Hey. There you go. Anything. Hey. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, boy. Come on. Woo. There we go. Yeet. Alright. Release. Huh? There we go. Is there more weights?